think we got another one, baby. I think we got another one, baby. I think we got a big one, y'all. Fisher boy never miss an opportunity to push his brand to go fishing. I think we got a big one, y'all. Ooh, we got a big one. Ooh, we got a big one. Ooh, we got a big one, y'all. Ooh, we got a big one. Tighten up that drag. Tighten up that drag. We got a big one. Ooh, y'all. We got a big one. We got a big one. Trying to get away, y'all. Ooh, we got a big one. Ooh, y'all, we got a big one. Shit. We got a big one. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. We got a big one, baby. I had to kick him up to the curb. He's so goddamn big. Oh my fucking God. Oh Lord. He's so big I don't even want to grab him. He a little tough. Oh. Y'all. This is my biggest ever. This is my biggest bass ever. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's my biggest one ever. Look, my foot. He longer than my foot, y'all. He longer than my foot. Fisher boy. Fisher boy.